Welcome to mathematics class. In the last session, we discussed about 9.1 of rational numbers. Today I am going to discuss about the operations on rational numbers. That is the first two operations, addition and subtraction on rational numbers, I am going to discuss today. You know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide integers as well as fractions. Let us now study these basic operations on rational numbers. The first operation is addition. While adding rational numbers with the same denominators, we add the numerators and keep the same denominators. For example, minus 13 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7. What we have to do here? We can add the numerators and keep the same denominator. That is minus 13 plus 6 whole divided by 7. Minus 13 plus 6. Here we have to use the rule of integers, addition of integers. What is the rule of addition of integers having different sign? Bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 13. So 13 minus 6 equal to 7. And the sign of bigger number is negative. So we can get the answer minus 7 divided by 7 equal to minus 1. Here also we are using the rule of division of integers. That is a negative number divided by a positive number. The result will be a negative number. While adding rational numbers with different denominators, we first find the LCM of the denominators. Then we find the equivalent rational numbers of the given rational numbers with this LCM as the denominator. Then add the two rational numbers. For example, minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 3. Here both rational number having different denominators. So first we have to find the LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So we can find the equivalent fraction with the denominator 21. So the first rational number is multiplied by 3 and the second rational number multiplied by 7. So we get minus 9 upon 21 plus 14 upon 21. Now the denominators are same. We can add the numerators. So minus 9 plus 14 divided by 21. Here we can apply the rule of addition of integers. If the two integers having different sign, then bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. So 14 minus 9 gives 5 and the sign of bigger number is positive. So we get the answer as 5 upon 21. Next is additive inverse. What is the meaning of additive inverse? That means if we add two rational numbers, the result is 0, then the rational numbers are said to be the inverse of each other. That means minus 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 7, if we are adding, we get 0. So, minus 4 upon 7 is the additive inverse of 4 upon 7 and 4 upon 7 is the additive inverse of minus 4 upon 7. Similarly, the additive inverse of minus 3 by 9 is 3 by 9 and the additive inverse of 5 by 7 is minus 5 upon 7. That means to find the additive inverse, we just change the sign of the rational number. If positive rational number is given, you have to put minus sign. If negative rational number is given, then to find the inverse means you can put a positive sign. Our second operation on rational number is subtraction. While subtracting two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. For example, 2 integer 1 upon 5 minus 1 by 3. While subtracting, the first step is convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then subtraction of rational number means addition by changing the sign of the number to be subtracted. That means by changing the sign of the second number written. So we get 11 upon 5. The sign of subtraction we changed it to addition. So the next number should be changed with the sign. That is minus 1 by 3. We have to write the additive inverse. So we are getting 1 by 3. Now just like fractions addition, you can do the addition. That is denominators are different. You have to find the LCM, then add it. Here the LCM is 15. So we get it 33 upon 15 plus 5 upon 15. That gives 38 upon 15. We can write it as 2 integer 8 upon 15. Now I am going to start with exercise 9.2. Our first question number 1. The first one is 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. That is, already we have studied how to add two rational numbers. So 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4, we can add it here. Both the denominators are same, so we can directly add the numerators and can keep the same denominator 4. So 5 plus minus 11. Both the numerator and the denominators are integers, so we can use the rule of addition of integers over here. That means if the signs are different, how to add two integer, bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. So 11 minus 5 gives 6 and the sign of bigger number is negative. So our answer is minus 6 upon 4. Here 2 is common, so we can cancel with the 2. So we are getting the answer as minus 3 by 2. Or it can be written as minus 1 integer 1 by 2. Next is question number 5. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. How to add these two rational numbers? Here the denominators are different, so we can make the denominator equal by finding the LCM. That is LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. So minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57 can be written as minus 8 upon 19 multiplied by 3 plus minus 2 upon 57 multiplied by 1. It gives minus 24 upon 57 plus minus 2 upon 57. Now in this step, the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators and can keep the same denominator. So we are getting minus 24 plus minus 2 divided by 57. Here the numerators are having the same sign. So while adding two integers having the same sign means add the integers and put the same sign. So 24 plus 2 gives 26. Both are negative. So the numerator is having negative sign divided by the denominator 57. So the answer is minus 26 upon 57. Now the next is 7th question. Minus 2 integer 1 upon 3 plus 4 integer 3 upon 5. Here it is given the mixed fraction. So the first step is to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we are getting minus 7 by 3 plus 23 upon 5. Here the denominators are different, so we can find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Minus 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5, both numerator and denominator. 23 upon 5 is multiplied by 3. So we are getting minus 35 upon 15 plus minus 69 upon 15. In this step, denominators are same. We can add the numerator directly and keep the same denominator. In the numerator, both integers are having different sign. So we can use the rule of addition of integers, that is bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. So 69 minus 35 is 34. The sign of bigger number is positive. So we are getting the answer as 34 upon 15. It is in the improper fraction. So we can convert it into mixed fraction. 2 integer 4 upon 15. Next is question number 2. Find 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Children, we have to subtract minus 6 upon 21 from 5 upon 63. Subtraction of rational number means take the additive inverse of the second number. Second number means the number to be subtracted. Here minus 6 upon 21. We can take the additive inverse of minus 6 upon 21 and we can add this with the first rational number. Then we can apply the rule of addition of integers. That is addition of rational number we can use. So we can start this sum like this way. 5 upon 63 minus of 6 upon 21 equal to, subtraction means addition by taking the additive inverse of the number to be subtracted. Here the number to be subtracted is minus 6 upon 21. The additive inverse of this will be 6 upon 21. So 5 upon 63 plus 6 upon 21. Now the two rational numbers both are having positive sign. We can add it. The denominators are different, so we can make the denominator equal by finding the LCM. So LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. We can find the LCM. So LCM of 63 and 21 equal to 63. So 5 upon 63 multiplied by 1 plus 6 upon 21 multiplied by 3 equal to 5 upon 63 plus 18 upon 63. Here the denominators are same, so you can add the numerator and keep the same denominator. So 5 plus 18 upon 63, that is equal to 23 upon 60. Next question is minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 50. Subtraction means addition by taking the additive inverse of the second number. So this gives minus 6 upon 13. First number is not having any change. Subtraction of rational number means subtraction we are changing. We are writing it as addition. Then the sign of the next number, second number will change. That is additive inverse of minus 7 by 15 is 7 upon 15. Now we can add these two rational numbers. Here the denominators are different. So we can find the LCM of 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. Because there is no common factor between 13 and 15, so the product will give the LCM. So minus 6 upon 13 multiplied by 15 plus 7 upon 15 multiplied by 13. Minus 90 upon 195 plus 91 upon 195. In this step, the denominators are same. You can add the numerator and keep the same denominator. So minus 90 plus 91 whole divided by 195. See here, 90 is having negative sign and 91 is having positive sign. Here you can apply the rule of addition of integers. Signs are different, then you can do bigger number minus smaller number and put the sign of bigger number. Here the bigger number is 91. So you subtract the smaller number 90 from 91. So we are getting 91 minus 90 equal to 1. Sign of the bigger number is positive. So plus 1 divided by 195. So the answer is 1 upon 195. Our next question is minus 2 integer 1 upon 9 minus 6. Here one is mixed fraction. So first we convert it into improper fraction and then subtract. Minus 2 integer 1 upon 9 minus 6 equal to minus 19 upon 9 minus 6. 6 can be written as a rational number by keeping 1 as the denominator. Here the denominators are different. You can make it equal by finding the LCM. Here subtraction of rational numbers are written here. That means minus 19 upon 9 has no change. It will be written as it is. Subtraction means addition by taking the additive inverse of the second number or changing the sign of the second number. Here the second rational number is 6 upon 1. So to change the sign it will become minus 6 upon 1. The LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. So we can make the denominator equal to LCM. So minus 19 upon 9 multiplied by 1 plus minus 6 upon 1 multiplied by 9 gives minus 19 upon 9 plus minus 54 upon 9. Now the denominators are same. You can add the numerator and keep the same denominator. So minus 19 plus minus 54 whole divided by 9. Now we can apply the rule of addition of integers having same sign. If the signs are same, you simply add the numbers integers and put the same side. So if we are adding 54 plus 19, we get minus 73 upon 9. 54 plus 19 is 73. Both are having negative sign, so we can put the negative sign. So the answer is minus 73 upon 9, or it can be written as minus 8 integer 1 upon 9. Children, here is the sums for practice. Please do it. Children, here is the